Location for Serenity Berry, black, female, 7 months, 30 inches, 22 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, wearing diamond stud earrings, and a white Onesi. Police are looking for Jocelyn Nicole Bridges, black, female, 35 years old, 5 feet 9 inches, 280 pounds, braided black hair with brown highlights, black eyes, and wearing a multicolored shirt and blue jean tights in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a blue 2011 Ford Focus with Texas license plate number of MGP8642. The suspect was last heard from in Irving, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Irving Police Department at 972-273-1010. News media point of contact is the Irving Police Department at 972-721-3515. This is Noah.